It's a Korean sentence building series. There will be 15 brand new episodes in this program, and you can check the full daily schedules on my website. Also, you can download PDF files. And now, smash the thumbs up buttons and leave the comments down below. Then let's get started. Hi! Last time we've learned how to make declarative sentences. And today we're gonna learn how to make interrogative sentences focusing on the closing ending. Alright, so here you can see, are you okay? I'll show you the 5 basic forms like this. 괜찮아요, 괜찮아, 괜찮으세요, 괜찮니, 괜찮습니까? They all have the same meaning, like, are you okay? But in Korean, there are 5 expressions. Why? We have so many honorific forms. Alright, the first expression is 괜찮아요. And 괜찮아요 is the most commonly used expression, like I said before. And we can say this is spoken, informal, polite style. And the next one is 괜찮아. This is the same spoken, informal style. But this is not polite, this is casual style. And do you know how to say the casual style in Korean? We call that 반말. I can use 반말 to very close friend and also the people younger than me. The next one is 괜찮으세요? Spoken language and informal, the same, and also polite. Oh, then it looks like the same, like 괜찮아요? 괜찮으세요? Then do you remember what's the differences between 괜찮아요 and 괜찮으세요? We actually learned what is subject honorific and what is relative honorifics. When we caring about the listener, then we choose the ending like 아요, 어요 ending or 씁니다 ending or just 어 ending. This is relative honorifics. But sometimes when I talk about someone that I have to respect, then I also need to use this subject honorific to raise that person. So last time I told you that my grandmother is cute. So I want to say that. But my grandmother is the someone I have to raise all the time. So I don't say 할머니는 귀여워요. I said 귀여우세요. Let's say I saw an unknown woman on the street and she's falling on the street. So I certainly said, are you okay? In that situations, I also use this. 괜찮으세요? In that case, we usually respect each other. Can I use 세요 ending for myself? No. If I erase myself, this is not polite. So 괜찮아요, 안 괜찮아요. I just use 아요, 어요 ending instead of 세요 ending, okay? So please remember, we use 세요 ending to the strangers, but we don't use that ending for myself. Then let's go back to the table. Next one, 괜찮니? 괜찮니 ending also spoken language and informal. And like 괜찮아, this is casual endings. Then these two are the same. Alright, so here's the difference. The very close people like my family member, I can use just 반말. Like, 괜찮아? 밥 먹었어? 언니 뭐 하는데? But I cannot say this 괜찮니? 니 ending form to her older sister. She's gonna be upset. But if I use this form to my nephew, then it sounds very friendly. So be careful to use 니 ending. The next one is 괜찮습니까 ending. We use this mainly in news program or current affair program or formal events. And also, you can see this type of endings in the test, like topic exam or lots of document. Was it okay? 괜찮았어요? This is past tense. And 괜찮을까요? Yeah, this 을까요 ending makes future tense, right? I'm gonna tell you one more additional information about future tense. Guessing. So many times it translated in English like I wonder if or do you think something like that. 괜찮아요? It also fine. Yeah. But 괜찮을까요? It's more sounds like I'm caring about your situation right now. Next one is 괜찮지? 괜찮죠? ending. These two ending form is almost the same. We use this ending form when you ask that you already know, or when you ask something you don't know, but the other person know that for sure. Okay, let's see from the first sentence. Here, 어제는 무척 추웠죠 is describing the yesterday's weather. And then I know, you know, this is just a good start line to make a small talk, right? And let's see the next expression. 여기가 인천공항 맞지? Yeah, I want to check it one more time. I want to make sure so I can ask like this. And the next one is 내일도 집에 계실 거죠? I know that person must be stay at home, but I just want to check one more time. And then the next part is about you don't know that things, but the other person know for sure. Let's see. 누가 오기로 했죠? Who's coming? Okay, let's say tomorrow we have a conference, but I'm not sure who is attendees, but the person in charge has a list of attendees. Then I can ask the person like, 누가 오기로 했죠? Okay. And the next one is 휴가가 언제지? Let's say my team member already told me, but I forgot. I can ask them one more time. Of course, they know the answer. Let's briefly review what we've learned. The simple quiz. So change the basic form in the parentheses to suit the situations. So, number 1. The student asked the teacher, what's the difference between 은는 and 이가? The mother asked her son, do you feel frustrated staying home? It's advertisement. Are you hot? Please have a bowl of cold noodles. The elementary school teacher asked the students like this, is your house close to school? The current affair program announcer asked the expert, do you think Corona will end within this year? Asked to a colleague who went to the newly opened water park, was the water clean? The local mothers community of women is talking. The other members, why am I hungry at 5 o'clock? The older sister who taught her younger sister how to tie the ribbon and say, it's simpler than you think, right? Asked to a co-worker who wants to get close, isn't my cat so cute? Alright, so today we've learned how to make interrogative sentences, focusing on the closing ending. If you are curious about the detail, the grammar detail, then you can refer the grammar in use. I'll let you know the relative pages in the reference file. Alright, then see you next week. 안녕!